Simba likes the box. Here's your cute treats. Okay, let's begin opening the box. This is not the side. I feel like nothing's visible here, so I'm gonna have to do it this way. I hope nothing falls out. Boston's gift. Is it this way? Can you guys see what's inside? It's a cup! Oh my, okay, wait. Before I see what the cup is, I want some, yo, what up, coconuts? I want to see some guesses. What could the cup possibly be? If it's a cup from Bustin' Jeeber, it's gonna have to, it's a mug, yes, it's a mug. It's either gonna be a picture of something Discord basement related, or my profile picture on the, on the cup, or something. A picture with Bustin's face. Okay, Ethan says a picture with Bustin's face. Bustin' Jeeber says Adhemz in a bikini. If you got it and you're saying that, chill guy cup, Adhemz logo. I think it's, I'm leaning towards Adhemz logo. Let's see. Okay. What is it? You guys have to see it before me. What is it? Is it this side? Do I need to turn the, is it underneath? Is it? Hold on. What? This is Bustin's profile picture. That's it. Okay. Tomorrow morning, you're gonna see this on my story. I'm gonna drink coffee from this first thing tomorrow morning. Wait, look at this. Dun. How did you send this? How is this not broken? How is this box so invincible? How? Did this ship from India? How is this there's not a single scratch on this thing? We are drinking coffee from this tomorrow morning. I want to sleep earlier now so that I can actually drink from this tomorrow and put it on my story. The magic of Bustin' kept the mug from breaking. Yes, I agree.